did. I don't want to hit that. Okay, today we're playing Monkey's Realm Horror Mode. So yeah. I don't know what to say. So we're just gonna get into the video. Where'd you get that mask? Okay, so let's go.
No, bro.
I'm in.
Yo, bro.
Okay.
I got so scared. I literally got. I was like.
Oh, there's a monster. Is this a
so
back room?
scared.
Is this a back room? Is it
Real
like
jump
oh,
scare.
What is
Is
that?
It's like.
oh, go through it. Okay.
Oh.
I guess that's the only way around. Is this the? Did you just go through the door?
I hate this part.
What is this?
I hate this part.
What?
No.
What is that? Is that a secret?
Anybody here?
Oh, heck no! Heck no!
Make you more slower.
What is that noise?
Did he
Oh,
die? Did bro die?
Oh my gosh, there's so much flashing lights.
Average
Did bro
stay in
die?
Ohio. Yo, bro.
Did bro die?
Average stay in Ohio.
I died. Okay, guys. That's actually kind of hard because when you go through the rooms, you have to jump over like a ton of things. So, yeah.
It makes me have.
Okay.
They do the
Is it the monster? Is this where she spawns?
Is that you? Yeah. Then that might be level 1. Press the button.
Ah! What's this? It's a freaking menu. I don't like it. Oh, I didn't even know there was a menu.
Just start running as fast as you can.
There's gonna be flashing lights in this room.
What is this? No!
It's horror.
Look at monsters.
You gotta open the doors while the monster chases you.
Oh, what?
Looks like the back rooms.
We got this.
To be honest.
This doesn't look like.
You have to run so fast.
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
I can't do this.
what's happening?
Oh my gosh, no. Okay. Okay, so I think he's shit.
Wait. Guys, come on. The monster spawned somewhere? You got to go faster. Is it too?
Wait, the monster goes faster like every second? Like the bees and gorilla attack?
No.
The monster spawns right here. The monster spawns right here. Wait, what is that? Where's that badge?
I think that's a monster. Yo, oh my gosh. I think the monster's here. I'm going speed, bro. Oh my god. I'm going speed.
Is there a button you're supposed to look for the last part?
Oh!
Come on.
I think the flashing lights.
I can't
Oh shit! My game is picking lagging. No.
Yeah, mine's lagging. Okay, this is not.
I can't get it! I just got it! Oh my gosh. I didn't even get it! Let's go. I'm just swinging my arms to nothing.
Guys,
I started going.
what is this?
Look at the monkey
Okay.
What's claustrophobia? This is the run. You're here also?
You're gonna have to do it all together.
This is my first time
The
playing
hard part is
I know
getting
this
the button on the top.
I know this one. The one over here is right behind us.
It's just time to catch up when I have to jump over all those things.
Run as fast as I can.
Let's go.
Okay, this is the part.
Phobia.
I know this one.
I disenabled flashing lights.
Yeah.
Put them in order. Put them in order.
I did!
I hate the one level.
Dang it!
Wait,
I got freaking stuck! Needs to be tighter so I can actually focus. I'm gonna end this video here. I know I said I was.
They're trying to rubber.
I know.
They're trying to rubber.
So I'm gonna end this video here.
You gotta get to me.
Hope you guys. I'm trying to do my outro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.